Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the Baxi Duo-tec Combi 33HE. So you can see we've got a fault code which is E119. So this could be a couple of things. Now the first thing you can check is the pressure on the pressure gauge. So in this case the pressure gauge looks okay. Now that could be faulty or it could be an internal fault inside the boiler. So if your pressure was down, you could try topping it up. If that fails, like the pressure's okay now, you can see on the gauge, it means you got an internal fault. And that means you're going to have to call out a competent, confident, gas-safe engineer. So there's nothing you can do with the boiler. You do need assistance in this particular situation. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful for you. However, if this video didn't resolve your problem, we can help. Because we can give you assurance and reliability when it comes to expertise in boiler repair and customer service. Because that's what A&R means. We're big enough to deliver and small enough to care. Take a look at our Google reviews and see what our customers say about our service. So, A&R boilers are here for you. Just simply visit our website at www.boilerrepair.net.